Heading Level 1 Appendix D Notes on Accessibility. Special attention has been paid to make this HTML version as accessible as possible, especially to readers using assistive technology, such as screen readers like Link NVDA and Link JAWS. Screen readers are software designed to enable users with low or no vision to access and navigate web pages like this book. Some sighted users also sometimes prefer text-to-speech (TTS) software to read web pages aloud. TTS software has fewer features than screen readers designed for non-sighted users and may not convert everything in this book to audio. If you are using the HTML version of this book with a screen reader or braille terminal, or are helping a student who relies on such tools, e.g., as instructor or accessibility advisor, and you have feedback, please link Get in Touch. Heading Level 2 Navigation and Styles. We have adopted the HTML style provided by LinkBookML, developed for the Leeds Mathematics Department by Link Vincenzo Mentover. It provides a collapsible navigation menu, buttons at the top of each page to select the font size, switch between serif and sans serif font, and black on white, dark on sepia, or light on dark display options. The body of the page starts with an invisible link to skip to the beginning of the content, past the navigation sidebar and style buttons. The buttons are, in order, list with 4 items: triangular bullet toggle sidebar to turn the navigation bar on or off, triangular bullet font settings for font size, serif or sans serif font, and light, sepia, or dark modes, triangular bullet download for links to download the PDF versions, and triangular bullet information about the toolbar for a pop-up that shows keyboard shortcuts for navigation. Out of list, those keyboard shortcuts are left and right arrow for moving to the previous and the next page, and S to toggle the navigation sidebar. Heading Level 2 Symbols and Formulas. Logical symbols and formulas in this book are converted to LinkMathML and displayed using LinkMathJax. MathJax provides additional link accessibility features for formulas, which are found in the MathJax context menu. With a mouse, you can right-click on any formula to activate it. Screen readers will announce that formulas can be activated, e.g., NVDA says application clickable before every formula to indicate the presence of the MathJax menu. If your screen reader does not read out formulas, such as application clickable for all x left parenthesis upper A left parenthesis x right parenthesis, and upper B left parenthesis x right parenthesis, you may need to activate speech output in the speech submenu of the MathJax accessibility menu, and reload the page. Here are some of the more common symbols. Different screen readers and TTS applications will pronounce them differently, and sometimes not at all. After each symbol, we provide the customary pronunciation used by logicians. List with 6 items: triangular bullet uppercase and lowercase italic letters like application clickable upper A, and application clickable X, lower X. Triangular bullet uppercase and lowercase script letters like application clickable script upper A, and application clickable script X, script lower X. Triangular bullet logical connectives. Application clickable not sign, not, application clickable or, application clickable and, application clickable right arrow, only if, application clickable left right arrow, if and only if, application clickable up tag, contradiction. Triangular bullet quantifiers. Application clickable for all, application clickable there exists, triangular bullet meta-theoretical symbols. Application clickable therefore, application clickable right tag, proves, application clickable does not prove, application clickable true, entails, application clickable not true, does not entail. Triangular bullet modal operators. Application clickable normal white square box, application clickable normal white diamond, out of list. Subscripts should be pronounced by screen readers, although they may not indicate that they are subscripts. The formula application clickable upper A2 may be read out as upper A sub 2, or just as a 2 dot. The expressions blank and if with 2 Fs are used throughout the textbook. In the HTML version, blank includes an invisible spelled out word blank, which screen readers should read out loud. The abbreviation, if F, is short for if and only if. In the HTML version it is coded using an invisible zero-space word joiner character, which should make screen readers pronounce if F as if EFF or IFFEFF. Heading Level 2 proofs. The natural deduction proofs in link parts Roman 4, link Roman 7, and link Roman 8 use vertical lines to indicate where subproofs start and end. Such vertical lines extend from the assumption line of the subproof to its last line, and are displayed between the line numbers and the formulas in any given line. This makes proofs a special challenge for users with low vision or complete loss of vision. To make these proofs accessible in this HTML version, proofs are coded as tables. Each table line has 4 columns: the line number, a subproof level indicator, a formula, and a justification. The subproof level indicator is a number recording how many nested subproofs the current line is contained in. It is 0 if the line is not contained in a subproof, 1 if it is in a subproof, 2 if it is in a subproof nested within another subproof, and so on. When reading out a subproof level indicator, screen readers should also announce if a subproof has just been closed on the previous line, and when a new subproof starts. The table header rows and subproof level indicators are hidden so that proofs visually appear as in the printed text. Here is an example of such a proof. Table with 15 rows and 4 columns. Row 1, column 1, line number, column 2, subproof level, column 3, formula, column 4, justification, row 2, line number, column 1, application, clickable 1, subproof level, column 2, 0, formula, column 3, application, clickable, left parenthesis, upper W, or upper X, right parenthesis, or left parenthesis, upper Y, or upper Z, right parenthesis, justification, column 4, PR, row 3, line number, column 1, application, clickable 2, subproof level, column 2, 0, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper X, right arrow, upper Y, justification, column 4, PR, row 4, line number, column 1, application, clickable 3, subproof level, column 2, 0, formula, column 3, application, clickable, not sign, upper Z, justification, column 4, PR, row 5, line number, column 1, application, clickable 4, subproof level, column 2, open subproof 1, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper W, or upper X, justification, column 4 as row 6, line number, column 1, application, clickable 5, subproof level, column 2, open subproof 2, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper W, justification, column 4 as row 7, line number, column 1, application, clickable 6, subproof level, column 2, 2, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper W, or upper Y, justification, column 4, application, clickable, or I, application, clickable 5, row 8, line number, column 1, application, clickable 7, subproof level, column 2, close subproof, open subproof 2, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper X, justification, column 4 as row 9, line number, column 1, application, clickable 8, subproof level, column 2, 2, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper Y, justification, column 4, application, clickable, right arrow, E, application, clickable 2, application, clickable 7, row 10, line number, column 1, application, clickable 9, subproof level, column 2, 2, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper W, or upper Y, justification, column 4, application, clickable, or I, application, clickable 8, row 11, line number, column 1, application, clickable 10, subproof level, column 2, close subproof 1, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper W, or upper Y, justification, column 4, application, clickable, or E, application, clickable 4, application, clickable 5, application, clickable 6, application, clickable 7, application, clickable 9, row 12, line number, column 1, application, clickable 11, subproof level, column 2, close subproof, open subproof 1, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper Y, or upper Z, justification, column 4 as row 13, line number, column 1, application, clickable 12, subproof level, column 2, 1, formula, column 3, application, clickable, upper Y, justification, column 4, DS, application, clickable 11, application, clickable 3, row 14, line number, column 1, application, clickable 13, subproof level, column 2, 1, formula, column 3, application, application clickable upper W or upper Y. Justification column 4 application clickable or I application clickable 12 row 15 line number column 1 application clickable 14 subproof level column 2 close subproof 0 formula column 3 application clickable upper W or upper Y. Justification column 4 application clickable or E application clickable 1 application clickable 4 application clickable 10 application clickable 11 application clickable 13 out of table. It has 14 lines with 3 premises, 2 levels of subproof nesting, and 2 pairs of adjacent subproofs. For instance, the subproof beginning on line 5 ends at line 6, and line 7 starts another subproof. So the subproof levels of lines 6 and 7 is the same, but lines 6 and 7 are in different subproofs. If you cannot see the subproof lines, you have to pay special attention to how the subproof level numbers change, and when a formula is an assumption, a screen reader should read line 7 approximately as 7, close subproof, 2, open subproof, upper X, as the abbreviations PR for premise, and S for assumption, are coded in the HTML version using the EBA tag. Note that simple text-to-speech applications may not read out complex tables, such as the ones containing proofs or truth tables at all. Heading level 2 diagrams. The text also contains a few diagrams in the HTML version. These are provided with image descriptions, e.g., graphic. There are 3 shapes. The first shape is a gray graphic circle labeled A, some empty space. The second shape is a white graphic circle labeled C, and the fourth a white square labeled D. The image description here should read: there are 3 shapes. The first shape is a gray circle labeled A, some empty space. The second shape is a white circle labeled C, and the fourth a white square labeled D. Heading level 2 table of symbols. What follows is a table of all the symbols used in the text, how they are most likely to be pronounced by screen readers, and what they are called in the text. In the rightmost column we provide a suggested way to enter them using ASCII characters. If inserting special symbols in a homework assignment or email to your instructor, say, is not an option. Table with 16 rows and 4 columns. Row 1 column 1 symbol, column 2 pronunciation, column 3 meaning, column 4 ASCII equivalent. Row 2 symbol, column 1 application clickable not sign, pronunciation, column 2 not sign, meaning, column 3 logical not ASCII equivalent, column 4 or row 3 symbol, column 1 application clickable or pronunciation, column 2 or meaning, column 3 logical or ASCII equivalent, column 4 row 4 symbol, column 1 application clickable and pronunciation, column 2 and meaning, column 3 logical and ASCII equivalent, column 4 or row 5 symbol, column 1 application clickable right arrow, pronunciation, column 2 right arrow, meaning, column 3 conditional ASCII equivalent, column 4 or row 6 symbol, column 1 application clickable left right arrow, pronunciation, column 2 left right arrow, meaning, column 3 biconditional ASCII equivalent, column 4 or row 7 symbol, column 1 application clickable up tag, pronunciation, column 2 up tag, meaning, column 3 contradiction ASCII equivalent, column 4 or row 8 symbol, column 1 application clickable for all, pronunciation, column 2 for all, meaning, column 3 universal quantifier ASCII equivalent, column 4 or row 9 symbol, column 1 application clickable there exists, pronunciation, column 2 there exists, meaning, column 3 existential quantifier ASCII equivalent, column 4 E or 3 row 10 symbol, column 1 application clickable therefore, pronunciation, column 2 therefore, meaning, column 3 therefore ASCII equivalent, column 4 row 11 symbol, column 1 application clickable right tag, pronunciation, column 2 right tag, meaning, column 3 proves ASCII equivalent, column 4 row 12 symbol, column 1 application clickable does not prove, pronunciation, column 2 does not prove, meaning, column 3 does not prove ASCII equivalent, column 4 row 13 symbol, column 1 application clickable true, pronunciation, column 2 true, meaning, column 3 entails ASCII equivalent, column 4 row 14 symbol, symbol column 1 application clickable not true pronunciation column 2 not true meaning column 3 does not entail ASCII equivalent column 4 row 15 symbol column 1 application clickable normal white square pronunciation column 2 white square meaning column 3 necessary ASCII equivalent column 4 row 16 symbol column 1 application clickable normal white diamond pronunciation column 2 white diamond meaning column 3 possible ASCII equivalent column 4 out of table subscripts can be represented by an underline, e.g., application clickable upper A2 and A2 link previous page.